Here with Tucker from KeyLink. They're good partners for us. We love their product. They're always innovating new products, and we've enjoyed their cable railing product for a long time. I think they have one of the best systems, especially the through post corners, the ability to go up to 110. What is it, 10 feet, 110?
Well, we say 100 feet. I say 100 plus feet because we've actually done a lot of projects that are over that.
I've done a plus.
Yeah, you certainly have.
Yeah.
So we say 100 feet and under, you're good to go, green light. But if you got something a little bit longer than that, reach out to us and we'll kind of work with you. But yeah, I mean, we've seen 140, 160 feet.
Yeah,
we just do it on a case-by-case basis, make sure that we think it'll work for you.
One of the features and abilities that I love the most is a sweeping 45-degree angle, the sweeping right angles, and sweeping down. You can do a turn and down a set of stairs, which is, I don't know if there's another product that does that in a single post. So always really enjoyed working with your product. So you want to show us what you got this year that's kind of new and cool?
Of course. Let's kind of walk around and look at a few of the displays here.
Yeah.
First thing over here is our Discovery Rail. This is our newest rail series. This is a full new series, and almost everything about it is different. With this, your posts are nice and smooth, and they come with the brackets pre-installed on the post. So this is the fastest railing to install on the market. You just assemble your panel, and you pop it in between your posts, put a little cap on the four corners, and you're done. It's really fast, a huge time saver.
So these even come assembled, the sections?
No, the sections will come broken down. You're just putting your balusters in. Makes it easier to cut that way too, so you're not having to cut a 3x8 panel. But yeah, you just insert your balusters, and then you can actually take this thing and hang it between the posts and clip, clip, clip.
Nice. Yeah, and there's no rattle, no movement in that either in those balusters.
Nope. The inside of this profile has an aluminum extrusion that works sort of like a shark bite fitting. That once you push this in here, it's nice and solid.
Okay, I like that. No rattle when someone walks across the deck.
Yeah, of course. We love that too.
Yeah.
So this over here is our rod rail infill. This is our newest infill. We sort of re-engineered the horizontal rod system with a intermediate baluster mount on the inside here. So instead of drilling all kinds of different holes and trying to reach up under here with a screw and losing that screw off the side of the deck, we just have a single baluster mount with a single screw that goes down through there, and you can assemble this section real easy. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and then you can hang it on your post.
That's a really nice clean look. How many colors does this one come in?
Come in any of our different colors. So we have an industry-leading 20 colors and finishes. So you can get this system and any of our systems in any of those colors.
Wow, 20. That's a lot. That's a lot of options.
Yes, we got satin, we got textured, we got matte, we got gloss, we got it all.
Okay, awesome.
So that's our rod rail. We'll walk around this side and I'll introduce you to our new horizontal black cable. Yeah, so I know you're super familiar with the horizontal cable. Nothing new here as far as installation, but the new is the black oxide cable and the black fittings.
Yeah, the black fittings, that is a game changer.
Yep.
Okay.
So this is a really interesting process that actually etches the surface of the cable. So we're not painting this, we're not coating it in vinyl where it'll crack away. It etches the surface of the cable. It actually provides an additional layer of corrosion protection. So it's a really strong, resilient, UV protected product. It'll stay nice and black, nice and crisp for a very long time.
Is that still grade 316 stainless as well?
Yes. Yep. It's the same cable you're familiar with. It just goes through a black oxide chemical process before we send it out to you.
Okay. Love it.
So, on that note, we can walk over to the other side of the booth here.
I love these post wraps too.
Oh, great.
We're a big fan of these. These are nice and durable. It's it doesn't build out the post so much, but as far as like weed whackers or people bumping into them,
there you go.
This is a great solution. We utilize these quite a bit.
Yeah, I'm glad you stopped me there for that. It just makes that install such a breeze. You're not patching and painting over some sort of PVC board.
No.
Snap, 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 matches your railing.
Yeah.
Again, available in 20 different colors and finishes.
We actually had a situation recently where we had to remove a post to get a hot tub under a deck that we built.
Okay.
And we actually got it apart and put back together.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yep.
Didn't think we were going to be able to, but it was nice to be able to.
They're reusable. Yep. They are reusable. And if you're spending all this money on a deck, you spend all this money on your decking, all this money on your railing, and then you have these ugly treated posts 12 foot long outside of your, just really horrible look outside of your backyard. spend a little bit extra to upgrade and really complete that project with a post wrap. Comes in a 6x6 and a 4x4. It's a really cool look.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
And you have your verticable.
Yes. This is our newest product right here. This will be out on Tuesday, so April 1st. It's not an April Fool's joke. This is our black vertical cable. Same process we talked about over there. It's a black oxide cable. Same vertical cable that you've used before, just with this new black aesthetic. The cool thing about the black cable for both the horizontal and the vertical is the black absorbs more sunlight, so it doesn't reflect that sunlight when you're looking through it. It makes it even more see-through than the stainless steel does. So if we were to take this section and replace half of this section with stainless steel and keep the half that's black, as you take a few steps back, the black will disappear almost twice as fast as a stainless will.
Especially for us, a lot of the homes are on the lake, so how the home looks curbside from the water is if not more important than from the street side. So having a rail like this where it just disappears, pretty great feature to have.
Yeah, and having it disappear so much faster is the difference between maybe having it disappear while you're still on the deck or having to actually be off the deck before that cable disappears. So it makes a huge difference for the homeowner that's actually sitting there on the deck. The black is a huge improvement, and this particular product, the black vertical cable, is the only black vertical cable on the market at the moment. So this is available in our American Series or our Chesapeake, which you just saw over there. This infill is available for both of those.
And this one comes assembled in sections.
Yes, it comes with the cables pre-crimped. It's broken down in a box. When you get that box, you just pop it open and all those cables are right there. And you just insert your support balusters, hand tighten it, and then you can pop it in between your posts.
That's great. Yeah,
nice and
utilized
easy.
this before. It's quick.
Yeah.
It's a quick install and a beautiful look.
Nice and quick. Yep.
Yeah.
That's what we're looking for.
Awesome. Well, thanks, Tucker. I appreciate
Of course.
you bringing through. We always enjoy working with you guys and seeing you at these shows.
Yep. Thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, bud.